morning, my friends! How are you today? Welcome to your summer camp. Are you enjoying it? Yes, did you like your classes? What is your favorite class? Drama, very good. A lot of you are saying drama. That's fantastic. What else? Arts and craft. Yes, it's a lot of fun too. Playing sports. Listening to music. Dancing. Very good. I am very happy to hear that you are enjoying your summer camp. Excellent, friends. Well, we're going to start one more drama class. So you know what to do. Who can tell me? What are we going to do first? Yes, you need to stand up. Everybody up. Everybody up. Very good. I want to see you all. And we have to breathe. Remember? We're going to breathe in. Fill your lungs with air. Hold it. Oh, I love to breathe. Now breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. Excellent. One more time. Breathe in. Hold it. And breathe out. Very good. And now, a little dance. Who likes to dance? Do you like dancing? What is your favorite type of music to dance? Rock and roll? Na 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 na. Yes, everybody with me. We're going to dance. Moving your hands like this. Yes. The other side. Yes, very good. Let me see. Excellent. Now I want you to do like this. Now the other hand. Very slowly, very slowly. Yes. With rhythm, with attitude, like this. Everybody. Very good. Now this is a classic. This is very famous. Very good. And now this, you have to cover your nose like this. Or like this. One more time. One more time. Very good. A big applause to all of you. Excellent. Today, I'm going to show you something that I really like. And I'm going to use my fingers. Yes. I have a bag here with a lot of different finger puppets. Yes, they are like these.
Oh, hello. How are you, everybody? I love kids. Look at them. They're so cute.
I have different characters. I have a grandmother. I have many. I don't have enough fingers for all the characters that I have. I have one pig. I have one bear. Yes. I have one rabbit. Let me show you all of them. And I have a cow. Let me see. Yes. Look at them. How about that? I have more. Maybe I'm going to use for the other hand too. But first, let me introduce this to you. This is Mrs. Cow.
Hello, my friends. How are you today? I am Miss Cow.
Very good. Now we have one teddy bear.
Oh, I am a teddy bear. Yes, my name is Fluffy, and I'm a baby. Yes, nice to meet you.
Very good. And now I have the pig.
Hello, friends. How are you? I love playing in the farm with my friends. Hey, Fluffy. Would you like to be my friend?
I don't know. I don't know because I'm very small and very young. I don't want to get in trouble.
That's alright. Don't worry. You can play with Mr. Pig. He's very nice.
I have the grandmother.
Oh, what are you doing, little animals? What are you planning to do? Don't get messy, please. Remember, we're going to a party.
And then we have the frog. What are you all doing? Why don't you invite me so I can play with you? Please. If you want, I can invite you to the pond and we can swim together. It's so much fun.
Oh, yeah, that's a very good idea. Let's go to the pond. Very good. Oh, yes. But first, let's go play in the mud.
I don't know. I don't know if my mother will be mad at me. I don't know if I can play. Look at me. I'm so white. My name is Fluffy.
Alright friends, like that I have more characters. Remember, when we are using different characters, you have to use different voices, different attitudes, that's very important. Every character needs to be different and talk in a different way. Let me see, what new characters do I have here? I have one Mr. Yes, because he's wearing a tie. I have one little chicken and one panda bear. Look at them, they are very cute. And I have many more here. Okay, how do you think the panda bear would talk? What do you think would be the voice of the panda bear? I like that, very good. How do you think the little chicken would talk? Everybody, can you tell me? Yes, very good. What else? How about his voice? How do you think you can use your voice to represent this little chicken?
Hey, Mother. Where are you? I'm looking for you. All over the place.
I like that, very good. And we had a mister. How do you think he would talk? Oh, very good. He's like very strict. And he walks like this. And he talks to everybody like this. In a very elegant and calm way. Oh, this is a very nice day. How are you all doing? I have more. I have a lot of different characters. Now I have one hippo and I have one dog. Yes. Alright friends, come with me. We are going to meet Liz and George and let's see what characters they create using the finger puppets. Would you like to see it? Very good. Then come with me. I'll see you in a while. Bye friends. It's playtime! Hello friends! We are very, very happy to see you one more day. Are you enjoying your drama classes on this summer camp? Very good. Well, here with us are our dear friends. Liz, let's give her a big applause. Liz, why don't you make a little dance for our friends? Very good! Excellent! And George! George, would you like to make a little dance for our friends? Very good! Excellent! Let's give George a big applause! Fantastic! Alright friends, for today's activity, we are going to be using something extra. We are going to be using, look, I'm going to show you. It's a very, very fun. Whoa!
Hello. I'm a little rabbit. And my name walking in the forest. La 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 la.
Alright, we have a lot of different characters here in this bag. And you're going to take one, and you're going to take the other one. And I want you to introduce yourself as this character. You have to use a different voice for this character. And you are going to tell us things about this character. Close your eyes, please. Yes, you can't. This is going to be random. Show them. Very good. She got the panda bear. Very good. Now do yours. Close your eyes. Now, let's see what character you got.
Okay.
Oh, you got a lady. I'm going to close my eyes. And then, oh, look what you got. It's okay. Okay, very good. Excellent. Well, now, I'm going to leave this here. We're going to use some more later. We're going to introduce our characters to everybody else. We're going to say what they like, what they don't like, what they do for a living, as a hobby, and remember to use a different voice and maybe a different personality for this character. Who wants to start?
Me.
All right. Yes.
Hello. I'm Sachiko. I'm a Japanese lady. And I live in Tokyo, Japan. I love cooking. And I do it so often to my nephews. Because I love them so much.
Sachiko, what food do you prefer to do? What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is the miso soup because it got all the ingredients I like. It's very healthy, very good for my bones.
Very good, Sachiko. Thank you very much. Sachiko, how many kids do you have?
I got 4 kids. Yeah,
How many boys and how many girls?
there are 3 boys, 1 girl, called Sachiko like me.
And the boys?
The boys I call Takashi, Sumesu, and Yureto.
Beautiful names in Japan. Can you repeat them, please?
Takashi,
Takashi,
Shimizu,
Shimizu.
and Yumeto.
Yumesha, and the girl Sachiko like you.
Sachiko.
Thank you, Mrs. Sachiko. Thank you. Very good, George. Let's give George a big applause. Did you see? He used a different voice and he told us a lot of different things about the personality of his character. Now, Julius.
I'm Pandy Bear. I'm from China, and I have many other Pandy friends. I like eating bamboo.
Where do you live?
China.
All right.
Where there's lots of bamboo
Bamboo
and
trees.
Chinese people. Do you know?
Yes, I love China. I have never been there, but I would love to go. Panda, do you have any hobbies? Pandy, sorry. Do you have any hobbies?
Oh yes, sure. I like rolling. Have you seen us pandies roll like this?
Oh, rolling like this on the ground. Yeah. What else do you like to do, Pandy?
Jumping. Sometimes just for fun, I take bamboo and run, and my friends chase me because they want their bamboo, but I take it and run and run and run. It's just for fun.
Pandy, do you have best friends?
Oh yes, of course. My best friend is called Leo. He's another panda. Leo and I plan many things and laugh. We're evil pandas. Evil pandas.
Okay, relax. Very good. Excellent. Let's give Pandy a big applause. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to introduce my character.
Okay.
All right. Let's see.
Hello, I am a chicken. I am very small and yellow, and I love swimming. Look. I can swim backwards too. And I love eating corn. friend is a cow. Yes, her name is Milky. And I have another friend who is a lamb. And he's always jumping. Jumping, 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 jumping. And I always say, hey, lamb, stop, please, let's stop, please. No, jumping, 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 jumping. And he doesn't want to play with me. And my father is a rooster. And he wakes up every morning like this. And I say, Dad, please let me sleep a little bit longer. And he says, no, no. And I have a mother, and she's a hen, and she's a little, she makes a lot of noise. She's always, yes, she's very noisy. And what's my name? I didn't say my name.
No.
My name is
Chicken.
no.
Oh.
My name is
Duck.
No. My name is
Saki.
No! Wait for me! My name is I don't know my name. My name is
Yellow.
Beto. Beto's
Beto.
my name, yeah. I love my name.
Very good, friends. Now we're going to take another character. We have to close our eyes. Close your eyes, Liz.
Be careful.
She got a little excited.
Yeah.
Now you just close your eyes. You see, it wasn't just a panda. She's a little bit like that. You want to take another? Okay, yes. You can switch. And excellent. Okay, now we are going to perform. We are going to